Tim here from Your Search Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to add an app to your home screen on your Android phone. So what we want to do is just swipe up and go to our app selection screen, and we can locate the app we want to add to our home screen. So we can go to the app now and just simply hold down on it, and we have the option here to add to home screen. And we can simply just add it to the home screen like that. Then we can drag it by holding down on it, and we can go to the right or we can go to the left, and we can drop it where we want it. Then another thing we can do is we can take an application and we can drop it into another application to create a folder. Now if we ever want to get an application outside of a folder, we can just hold down on it and then drop and drag it to a different location. Now if we want to remove these applications, we can just hold down on them and we have the option to remove them or disable them or uninstall them. So if you want to remove it from the home screen, go to remove. If you want to delete it from your phone, go to uninstall right there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.